Grand juries in Colorado are used most regularly by federal cases, federal prosecutors. Most serious federal cases proceed first to a grand jury, a federal grand jury, where they get an opportunity to subpoena people to the grand jury proceedings and build a terrific case from their perspective, sometimes for a year before a client or before an individual is even brought to the criminal justice system, indicted by the grand jury. In the state system, in Colorado at least, most cases don't go to a grand jury. Most cases are filed directly with the DA's office, called direct filing, and there's a procedure that differs in misdemeanor cases. It's different than felony cases, but there's a procedure where you start off in court right away. If it's a felony case, if it's a very serious felony, you'll get a chance to have a mini trial called a preliminary hearing. And if they think they have probable cause to proceed with the case, then they move the case on to what's called district court, and they're often running for the proceedings, felony case in district court. Misdemeanor case stay in county court from the beginning. Both those cases, for the most part, with rare exceptions, don't go to a grand jury on the state level. There are some special circumstances cases that we've had some very notoriety, cases of high notoriety, where for various reasons they thought it was appropriate to go to the grand jury first. Normally, that's not the case.